The SereneLife portable air conditioner system is a versatile and convenient cooling solution for various spaces in your home or office. Here are the key features and specifications of this unit. Key features: portability and design. Lightweight and handy, easy to move around with its sleek, lightweight design. Rolling wheels, equipped with wheels for easy portability, allowing you to move it from room to room with ease. Versatile use, ideal for use in the bedroom, living room, garage, or office. Operating modes. 3 modes, includes cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes to meet different needs. Automatic swing mode, features a moving wind vent for maximum air circulation, and even distribution of cool air. Built-in dehumidifier. Humidity reduction, not only cools the air but also reduces humidity levels, saving space and cost by eliminating the need for a separate dehumidifier. Remote control. Digital touch panel, easy to use control panel with power, mode, timer, temperature, and fan speed settings. Remote control allows adjustments from a distance, including unit selector, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and sleep mode settings. Specifications. Cooling power, 12,000 BTU, Escher, 7,000 BTU, SAC. Suitable for cooling rooms up to 550 plus square feet. Rated power, 1150 W. Airflow rate, 290 cubic meters, HR for efficient air circulation. Airflow rate, 290 cubic meters, HR for efficient air circulation. Moisture removal, dehumidifying capacity, removes up to 1.8 liters of moisture per hour. Noise level, operating noise, 56 decibels, ensuring a relatively quiet operation. Benefits. Convenient and flexible, the portable design and multiple modes make it a versatile choice for various cooling needs. Space saving, combines cooling and dehumidifying functions in one compact unit. User-friendly, simple controls and remote operation enhance ease of use. This air conditioner is perfect for those looking for an efficient, easy to move, and multifunctional cooling solution for their home or office.